Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add private document in your Clickup. Maybe you want to add a private document on your Clickup that you are the only one can see. So today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a private document on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can also see below the notification icon, search icon, and then this dotted icon. In here, to upload a document, and here, to upload your private document on ClickUp, tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And then in here, you will see the home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. To upload a private document, tap on these docs. And there will be an extended option to you. In here, you'll see the all, assigned to me, shared with me, and then the private. In here, to upload a private document, tap on this private. As you can see, no private document. In here, to upload a private document, tap on create new doc. In here, you need to type in your doc name. For example, private. As you can see, it created a new doc for you. Simply tap on this one and then you can paste a link through your documents. And you can also copy paste here the content of that document. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to add private doc on ClickUps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add a private document on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.